Hello students, myself Rekha. Today we will do class 10 6th lesson, triangles lesson 6.4 theorem. CF 6.4 theorem, side similarity criteria. This is the 6.4 theorem. Okay, what is the theorem? Is there? See, if in two triangles, side of one triangle are proportional to the sides of another triangle, then their corresponding angles are equal. Hence, two triangles are similar. We have to prove. See here. What is the meaning of this theorem? See here. Sides of one triangle. One triangle. This is one triangle. This is one triangle. ABC one triangle. DEF one triangle. See here. These triangle sides proportional to DEF triangle. Okay. Proportional means AB by DE, BC by EF and AC by DF. This is the proportional. Proportional to another triangle, then their corresponding angles are equal. Hence, two triangles are similar. We have to prove. So, sides are proportional is there, then corresponding angles are equal. Angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, angle C is equal to angle F. We have to prove. Sides are proportional is there means angles are equal. Okay. This one we have to prove. This is the question. See here, in this one we have to write given to prove, construction and proof. What is there in the question? That is the given. What is there in the question? Two triangles are there. Which triangle? ABC triangle and DEF triangle. These two triangles are there. In this two triangle is given in the question what? Sides are proportional. Sides are proportional means what we will take? AB by DE is equal to AC by DF is equal to BC by EF. This is the given in the question. Next, what we have to prove? What we have to prove means sides are proportional means what? Angles are equal. So, angles are equal means to prove what? Angle A is equal to angle D we have to prove. Angle B is equal to angle E we have to prove. Angle C is equal to angle F we have to prove. See here. Proving this before we have to write the construction. Construction is there. What is the construction is there? Carefully listen. This DE how to cut means AB how much measurement is there? No, DP. You put one dot and DE plus you put one dot. The dot how to cut means AB measurement, this measurement. This dot name you give it P. This dot name you give it Q. So, this one how to cut this one? This DE means AP measurement, DP measurement. Both we have to equal take. Next, AC measurement, DQ measurement you have to take equal. And next you join PQ. Construction what is there? AB is equal to we have to take DP. Next, AC is equal to we have to take DQ. Next you join PQ. This is the construction. Next we will start the proof. What is the proof is there? First, carefully listen. First, what we have to prove? First, what we have to prove means, first, this triangle is there, no? DPQ triangle and DEF triangle. First, we have to prove which triangles. These two triangles are similar triangles. We have to prove. First, this triangle, first we will prove similar triangles. Next, this triangle, we will prove congruent triangles. Later, this triangle angles, this triangle angles equal we have to prove. First we will prove, first two things we will keep in our mind. Okay, later we will see next one. First we will prove DPQ triangle and DEF triangle both are similar we will prove. Next what we will prove? ABC DPQ. This triangle congruent we have to prove. First we will start this two proving. Okay. See here. What we will do. See here. Here I will explain. See here. Proof very important. We will see the diagram and we will do the proof. See here. What we will take. See here. AB by DE equal to AC by DF. Is question only is there. AB by DE is equal to AC by DF. AB by DE equal to AC by DF is given in the question. So first I am writing. Carefully try to understand this one. AB by, we will see the diagram. AB by DE is equal to AC by DF. Where is there this one? AB by DE is equal to AC by DF. See here. AB by DE is equal to AC by DF. Reason also you can write. E is given in the question. Okay, now carefully listen. AB, DP both same measurement is there. AP, DP same measurement is there by construction. AB, DP same measurement is there. So this AB place we can write DP also. We can write DP by I am taking DE. DE take as it is. Next AC plus you can write DQ also. So here I am writing DQ by DF. DF write as it is. What is the reason? You can write it reason. AB equal to, what is the same measurement is there? DP is there. Next AC equal to, you can write equal to DQ. By construction also, what is the reason? Construction also you can write it. Okay, this is the construction. So by construction, DP by DE we can take, DQ by DF we can take. See here. Next, try to understand. See here. This side proportional, this side. This side proportional, this side is there. Okay. This is there means here what is there? Converse of, we can use converse of BPT. Converse of BPT means what? Two sides proportional is there, means third side is a parallel. Okay, this is the converse of BPT. By using, see here, this side by this side is there, this side by this side is there. So these two sides proportional is there, means we can write third side is a parallel. What is the third side? This is the third side. So third side we can write parallel. PQ parallel to EF. PQ parallel to EF. What is the reason? Converse of, you can write it converse of BPT. Converse of BPT using PQ parallel to EF. Next, PQ parallel to EF is there, means see this angle is same measurement. Why means corresponding angles. Parallel lines is there, means see here, parallel lines is there, means corresponding angles are equal. See, these two are corresponding angles. So this one parallel is there, means this angle equal. Again this angle equal. So now we can write angle P, angle E both are equal. Try to understand. Angle P equal to angle E. Next, angle Q is equal to angle F. What is the reason? These two parallel is there. So corresponding angles are equal is there. So any two triangles, see here. Now observe this triangle. These two triangles equal is there, means automatically third angle equal. Next you take these two triangles. These two angles equal is there, means automatically third angle is the equal. So now DPQ triangle DPQ congruent triangle DEF. These both are congruent. What is the reason? You can write angle criteria using. See here, these two angles are equal, automatically third angle is the equal. So what criteria you are using? Angle criteria, you can write it. Okay, now one thing is finished. Now we proved this triangle, which triangles? Similar triangles we proved. So DPQ similar to DEF. So one thing is finished. First you can prove DPQ and DEF. Which triangles you have to prove? Similar triangles you have to prove. So these two similar triangles proving over. Now one thing over. Next what we will do? ABC and DPQ congruent triangles we have to prove. Up to here you clear, I think. Next one thing is finished. Okay. Next we will start this one. These two triangles congruent we have to prove. Try to understand. Here I will explain. This up to here these two triangles, similar triangles we have proved. Now we will prove what? ABC triangle, DPQ triangle. What we have to prove? We have to prove congruent triangle we have to prove. That proving. Now only we proved what? PQ parallel to EF. So this now see here, this triangle, which triangles? Which triangles now? It is a similar triangles. Similar triangles is there, means their sides are proportional. Proportional means I am taking, see here, DP by DE. Try to understand this point. DP by DE, DP by DE equal to PQ by EF. We can take PQ by EF. We can take it. Why means now only we proved these two triangles are similar triangles. Similar triangles is there, means sides are the proportional. So DP by DE equal to, we are taking PQ by EF. Next, one more I will take. What I will take means, see here, AB by DE equal to, AB by DE is equal to, see here, DP plus we can take AB. DP plus we can take AB. Try to understand this pointer. Now this one by this one I took. Later PQ by EF I took. So DP plus we can take AB. Why means this measurement to this measurement equal is there by construction. So now I am taking AB by this DP plus I am taking AB. AB by DE equal to, see this one you write as it is, PQ by EF. Why we are writing like this means DP measurement, AB measurement, both are equal is there. So now you take, this is first equation. Next you go with AB. In AB you observe AB by, see here, AB by DE equal to, here first we took AC by DF. Now we will take BC by EF. See here, in given what is there, AB by DE equal to, now we will take BC by EF. BC by EF. Okay, this is what is the reason given. Now you take, this is the given, this one you take first equation first. Okay, now see here, AB by DE is equal to, AB by this place we are taking AB. AB by DE equal to PQ by EF. Next we will go with the given. Given what is there? AB by DE is equal to, you take BC by EF. You take BC by EF. This is the given. Now you take second equation. Now you observe first equation and second equation means, carefully see here, AB by DE, here also AB by DE is there. Left hand side equal is there. Now you can take a right hand side equal. What is the right hand side is there means, try to understand, PQ by EF equal to BC by EF. From equation, this 1 and 2 you are getting this equation. Now see, EF cancel. What you got? PQ equal to BC. PQ equal to BC. Now you got PQ equal to BC. So now triangle ABC and triangle DPQ both are congruent triangles here. Now I will write triangle ABC. ABC, this is the triangle ABC. Congruent, this is the congruent symbol. Congruent triangle DPQ. Why they are congruent means, see, this triangle you observe means, this one leave it. Only these two small triangles. AB by DP, both sides are equal. Why means by construction. Construction time only we did that one. Next AC equal to DQ. This also we did construction. So this side now we proved BC equal to PQ. So this triangle are congruent. What is the reason? Side. So now which postulate, which criteria using? Side postulate or criteria you can write. Now using side postulate to, these two triangles are congruent triangles. So side means their corresponding angles also equal. So now I am writing, see here, angle A is equal to, try to understand better, angle A is equal to angle D. Now angle A is equal to angle D. So angle A is equal to angle D we did. Similarly, angle B is equal to angle E also. Again, now we took one side angle A is equal to angle D we proved. What is the reason? CPCT. CPCT means corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Now only we proved these two triangles are congruent by using side postulate. So their corresponding angles also equal. So angle A is equal to angle D. Similarly, we can write, try to understand, similarly we can write angle B is equal to angle E. Angle B is equal to angle E. See here, angle A is equal to angle D. Angle A is equal to angle D. What is the reason? By CPCT. Similarly, and again we don't need to do these all processes. You can write similarly. Similarly, angle B is equal to angle E and angle C is equal to angle F. So triangle ABC and triangle DEF, which triangles? Similar triangles. So This similar triangles means all sides are equal. Proportional is there. So all angles are equal. See here. A is equal to D. Similarly, B is equal to E. And similarly, C is equal to F. So sides proportional is there means angles are equal. So triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. This is the answer. Not understood means once again you watch it, and this is the fair notes. You can use it. Again, you have any doubt also comment it. Subscribe my channel.